Number 20. An experiment is to be conducted to determine the coefficient of kinetic friction between a block and a flat plank of wood. The plank is tilted at an angle theta, and the block slides down the plank. It is observed that the block of mass m slides at a constant speed v. What quantities must be measured in order to calculate the coefficient of friction mu? Now, if you look at this from the point of view that you have equilibrium because the object is moving with constant speed, then the x component of the weight, mg sine of the angle, has to be equal to the friction force, mu times normal force. Also, the y component of the weight, mg cosine of the angle, has to be equal to the normal force itself. Therefore, mg sine of theta has to be equal to mu times mg cosine of theta. The weight is irrelevant in this calculation, and the tangent of theta is equal to mu. So, if your question is, what quantities must be measured in order to calculate the coefficient of friction mu, your answer is theta only, option B.